So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video we will be exactly talking about Loom USDT. And before getting into Loom part, guys, if you guys are not in my Discord guys, the link is in the description. Get into my Discord, and I gave last night my trade of LQYT, and it just hit the TP and I just closed it and break even further. One TP hit, and I talked about the Loom, and I just gave a good like at when the price was exactly trading at 10 cents. You guys can exactly see I gave a Loom trade, and that is almost up about almost 40% after this overall this Loom shit happens. So guys, if you guys want to learn my type of technical analysis guys, I'm starting my technical analysis classes guys. Make sure to join, and it's almost like $10 a month completely for the first time people. It is completely free, just a starting channel guys. It's a starting classes, so it's completely for free. I'm just only $10 for the first 10 people. So guys, let's get into this. At the time of recording this video, Loom is trading around 12 cents, almost 12 and a half cents, what you call it, almost. But what exactly just happened, we will look at after. Let's get into the small time frames, guys. Something like this is very unusual, and I don't like this type of coins. Once any single coin do this, I just hate the thing. Do you guys see this 15-minute time frame candle? Everything is okay, everything is pumping, and it's almost just 3-minute candle, guys. The only 3-minute candle, and the price of Loom just dumped within this 3-minute candle, guys, because there is no momentum, there is no shifting of the gears. Like, do you guys, if you focus overall, guys, this is almost down about almost down about 26%. Within 3 minutes, the Loom is down about 26% from nowhere, guys. Do you guys see this? If we focus overall, we just broke above this trend line. We just broke above this trend line. We took the liquidity, and there is a good amount of strength showing that the price of Loom is exactly above what you call it. The price of Loom is exactly above the support, somewhere around like 10% from here. And then suddenly the drop comes. I don't know why. There was no fundamental news and whatsoever, and the price dumped. And I literally don't like these type of coins. I will not continue to hold or trade these type of coins, because the point is that I already have a buying, and I already said to buy it once the price was exactly at 10 cents, as you guys remember. I just bought somewhere right here, and the target was 13 cents. That is almost up of 20%. And then my target was exactly 20 cents, and that target is almost 87 to 90% target on spot. But after this type of like 30% to the like 26% down within 3 minutes out of nowhere, guys. If you look at the daily candle, I don't think so there is any sign of weakness, because we had a very huge volume. The candle is closing above this resistance level, and the only thing I can watch out right now is because of this daily resistance. But I don't think so that this daily resistance is something like this, that it will definitely focus on and like dump the price like this. But I guess it is exactly the manipulation. And I told you that, guys, with these type of low market cap coins, we have a huge manipulation every single time. That's why I always stay away from this type of coins. If we focus overall, guys, this is the resistance. This can be an argument because of this resistance. Even if you look at overall this, if we take this body structure, we even closed in the daily above the structure. But let's focus overall. Once we break above the structure, guys, this is the next resistance. We can call it the next resistance. But this type of selling pressure with this type of good volume, if this type of good volume is coming in, do you guys see this, that we are definitely already up about if we focus overall, we are already up about 40%. So if we are already up about 40%, how you can drop it exactly at this resistance? But there is still an argument. You guys have to be prepared for that. I wasn't really expecting this type of sell pressure from this resistance level, but still, it is what it is. It was a very good trade from this resistance level. If you look at overall, guys, if we break above, do you guys see this, that on the smaller time frames we are respecting this level? We got rejected right here, we got rejected right here, we got rejected right here, and we got rejected right here. So guys, if you guys are in within a very single trade, guys, you guys have to be monitoring every single of these coins, and I don't think so it was very expected. But still, you have to be focused on what exactly you guys should have saw, that once we are definitely breaking above, once we are forming this deviation and breaking with this type of volume, I don't think so it just broke within 1 to 2 minutes completely, like 30% within 1 to 2 minutes. So I guess it was not any chance to just focus on. But what exactly we can do is that once we form this type of wick, so once we have already formed this wick, guys, it was a good position to long scalp from this support till this resistance level that has already been hit as well. For now, I think so that if you look at in the hourly time frame, you guys can exactly see this is the wick formation, this is the wick, and we will definitely focus on the half of the wick. Let me tell you something for the beginners who don't know, that guys, if we, this is the body, and if we see a huge wick, guys, and this is the 50% of the wick, so the next candle will form like this, and then they will retrace this candle. So the 50% of the wick is already like they have to retrace this, and once another candle form retraced, took the liquidity above this retracement, and then again we continue to go to the upside. One thing, while the other is that the candle is forming here, and we took the liquidity of the upper part of the wick, and then we continue to go to the upside. This is the formation, this is the retracement of the wick, and this is the filling of the wick, you can call it. So that's how we fill the wick, and every single time this wick, most of the time this wick has been filled, like the other candles come here, just took the liquidity above the wick, and then continue to go to the upside, or it continues to go to the downside. But we already have some liquidity around this wick in the early time frame. And if we look at the overall retracement, let's focus on, let's just cover this complete wick, guys. So what is exactly going to be the 50% of this wick? So it's almost 20% of the wick, so that will be the 10% of the wick will be definitely what you call it, the 10% of the wick would be the 50% of the wick. So guys, this is the region for now. Let's completely focus on this. I think so that we will definitely retrace to this part. If you guys want these type of technical analysis, guys, if you guys want to learn from me, guys, that's why I want you to join my Discord. So guys, this is the 10%, and this is almost the 50% of the wick. If you focus overall, this is the region of almost 11 cents or 11 cents, like 11 and a half cents, something like this whatsoever, that like 0.117. So one with $117, so nothing much more on this. I think so that on the smaller time frames we will come to this part, retrace. If we still have some bullish momentum right here, we will again continue to go to the upside. But I think so we will retrace for now. And the other retracement level is exactly this, what you call it, the other retracement level is exactly this level, that is almost 10 cents. So if we retrace this level, if we see some buying pressure, so the other position, like other potential trade setup can be like scalping above this. If we took the liquidity body closing above the 50% retracement, I think so we have a buying pressure. We can definitely go, so like we can definitely get some 10% trade on this. If we do go and dump all the way up to this region, guys, I will definitely long again from here. And if you focus overall, we still have some kind of what you call it, some order blocks right here, and then that can be a very good position again. Like if we close like this, like closing, breaking below, closing like this, and that would be our trigger point from here. So that is exactly I'll be looking after. That is almost again a 10% trade, again a 10% trade. So now at the time of recording this video, I think so that I will just sell my spot holdings on this shitcoin, because I'm literally not interested. These type of things doesn't make sense for me because of this type of, like, within 1 minute 30% down. So I don't like this type of technical analysis. I don't like this type of price action, because I am already up of this shit coin. Like if you focus overall from 10 cents, I just longed it, and now with the time of recording this video, I'm already up of 23%. I was up of almost 50%. My like 25% is already taken within this shitty week, so I don't care about that as well. But still, we have a good momentum on this. For this, you guys have to go to CoinMarketCap and look at the volume coming, whether it's volume taking out of it, or it's like the selling pressure coming into this coin. So this is nothing much more on the price of Loom, guys.